Hello student. Now in this video we will see passing array of function using a call by reference. Okay, previous video we have seen passing array to a function using call by value method. Now in this we will see call by reference. So when we pass the address of an array while calling a function, then this called function then this is a called as a function called by reference. So here we are passing a arguments by the concept called as call by reference. When we pass an address as an argument, the function declaration should have a pointer as a parameter to receive the passed address. So in the syntax we have seen. So the actual parameter, the formal parameter need to be a pointer, and the actual parameter will be sending the address of a array. Okay, address of the element or value which we want to send. So here in this program we can see how call by reference will work in case of a arrays. So inside a main method we have declared one array, int array, and we have initialized a value. So let's trace this program and try to understand how it will work. So total we are going to store 10 elements in a array. So those 10 elements will be stored in a contiguous memory blocks, and each and every block of array will be having the address locations. So the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is not there, so 0 is there. Yes. So what happened? Here we can store the elements like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0. Every element will be associated with its index position. Means there will be index positions for the elements. So this is the last element of a array. Okay, so each and every block will be having address positions. Suppose consider the address of first element is 100. Okay, the address of second element will be 1 or 2. Okay, so like this it will go. So total how many bytes will be allocated? So one integer will be having 2 bytes, and here we have initialized 10 integers, then total 20 bytes. So last block will be 120. So these are the address positions of the elements. Now let's see. Here we are using the for loop. We have initialized I equals to 0. 0 is less than 10. Condition is true. Then we enter a loop body. Here we are calling the display function, and while calling this display function we are passing the address of array of 0. So array of 0 means what? Which address position? This is the 0th index position. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. 5. 6. 7, 8, 9. These are the index positions. So our array name is what? ARR array. Okay. So here ampersand array of I means what? Array of 0 means address of array of 0. The address of array of 0 is address of array of 0 is 100. Yes, so we will be passing 100 to a function. Okay, so from here it will go to a function definition. So here we have a pointer star num. So pointer is what? Pointer is a variable which holds the address of another variable. So we are sending the address of first element to a first element as a parameter to a function definition. So in that we have a printf statement. So in a printf statement we are printing the value at address position. So value at address star num, here it indicates the value at address. So which value is there at address? That is 1. So it will print 1 here. Okay, star num, it will fetch the value which we have stored at that particular address. So in a num variable, we have stored the address of array of 1. Okay, that is 100. Next, star num means value at address, that is 1. Understanding? So this same concept will apply for all the array elements one by one. So here we print the value which is stored at a num, means the address which is stored at a num variable. So in a num variable we have stored the address 100. The value at that 100 position is 1. So it will print 1 here. Okay. Next, from the function it will come back to a calling function. Again still our for loop is true. I value is incremented. I will become 2. Again we need to test the condition. 2 is less than 10. Condition is true. Again we call the display method. Now we pass array of I. Now I value is 2. Okay, so here I value is 1 and the address of 1 is 1th index position is 102. So 102 will be stored here in a num variable. Okay, so in star num means it will be accessing 2, second value. Okay, we are passing this address and we are storing it in a num pointer. Okay, and here in the printf statement what we are doing, we are printing the value at address. The value at this particular address is 2. So like this the program execution continues. Again we print 2 here. Next again control comes to a for loop. We increment the I value, it becomes 3. 3 is less than 10. Condition is true. Again we call the display function. Now we are passing array of 2. So the address of array of 2 will be sent to a num. Again we print the value, that is 3. Yes, again I value is incremented, it will become 4. 4 is less than 10. So address of array of 4 that we are sending, it will go to a function definition. Again we print the num value. So array of 4 is which element? 3. It will print 3. So output is 1. It has printed 1. Next it has printed 2. Now it has printed 3. Next I value has incremented. It has become 3. 3 is less than 10. Condition is true. Array of 3. Address of array of 3 we are passing. So now it will print 4. Next I value is incremented. It will become 4. 4 is less than 10. Array of 4. Array of 4 means which element? 5. So it will print 5 here. Next I value is incremented. I will become 5. So array of 5 is 6. It will print 6. So like this it will go on printing. At the end it will print 0. That time the I value will be 10. So 10 is less than 10. Condition become false. And here we close our program. So like this we can pass arrays to a function called by reference. Here just we need to remember that we are passing the address. Okay, so in an actual argument we are passing the address. So at the receiving end there should be a pointer which can hold the address of a array which we are sending. So this is very important, and always remember the array name itself is a pointer which will be pointing to a first element of a array. So this is the example of passing array to a function using call by reference. Thank you.